Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I am Bhanu Teja. So I'm here to discuss about one of the EWM topic, that is how to make value added services for inbound delivery process. Okay, so let us go on to the video. Okay, so generally why we are configuring this value added services. So what is the use of it? So generally, whenever we receive the material from the vendor, okay, to the warehouse, so here we have to make some modifications for the materials, okay, like counting the product or labeling the product or painting the product or repacking the product and other various activities will be performed using the value added services activity. Okay, so let us see the diagram first. So let us consider this is a warehouse. Okay, this is the warehouse. Okay, this is the warehouse. So here you can see the material. Let us consider one of the material. Okay, I will take this one of the X material. Okay, let us consider this as a material X. Material X. Okay, let us consider this as a material X. So when we receive the material from the vendor, so we will receive it to the inbound door and it will be unloaded here and will be transferred to the staging area. So using the warehouse process type 3065, and after that it will go to the work center. This is a deconsolidation work center. This is deconsolidation work center. Okay, so deconsolidation work center where the product is repacked here. Okay, if the product comes from the vendor using boxes, okay, or cartons, it will go to the deconsolidation work center. Here it will, here the staff people will break this box or carton, and they will uh, repack this product into the new HU, that means new handling unit. Okay, so after that, this packet material will be moved to the work center using the warehouse process type 3060. Okay, so what activities will be followed in the VAS work center means, so here they will make certain activities like weight checking, quality checking, and uh, labeling the product, and checking the validity of the product, and other activities. Okay, so after this VAS activity performed, okay, so this will be directly moved to the hierarchy using the warehouse process type 1010. So sorry, 1011. So 1011 is a standard warehouse process type for put away storage process. Okay, but I have configured the new warehouse process type YPSC. Okay, with reference to 1011. Okay, so one important thing is, for this VAS workflow, the package specification is very important. Okay, the package specification is very important. So let us see the process once. Okay, so I'm opening the SAP. Okay, here log in into the SAP with your user ID and password and execute SPRO. SPRO defines SAP project reference object. Enter, and here we proceed to this option SAP reference IMG. IMG refers implementation guide. Click on here. So first of all, we have to check whether package specification is being configured or not. Okay. So go to the path SPRO, SCM, extended warehouse management, and go to the master data. And in the master data, we have to proceed to the package specification. Okay. Click on the package specification. I think already everybody know about package specification. Package specification is a master data where the material or product is being packed in the different levels. Okay, so it is having the element types, element groups, work steps, and other information. Okay, so here we are packing the product in a different level, auxiliary level and HU level. Okay, and see, first of all, we have to execute the number ranges for package specification. So already the number ranges has been created. So I have taken the one of the number range, come back. So again, so click on define general packaging specification parameters. So already this is a default is provided by the system. Okay, number range for work step and element group, and define package specification group. Okay, click on this. So here I have already created one of the package specification group. Okay, so here I have created the new one SPH1. Okay, so this is one of my packaging specification group. So go to the details. So here enter your description and the number range for package specification, level set. So level set we have to define in next step and we have to assign here. Okay, so how this package specification will be created with respect to condition type. Okay, so description is local. So after mentioning all these details, click on save. Okay, now come back, again come back. Now here we have to go to the maintain structure packaging specification. So here we have to create level type, element type, level set. So what is the level type? So here we are having different levels like a carton level. For example, material will be packed in a box level. I mean auxiliary level. Auxiliary level represents the material has been packed in wrap covers. Okay, wrappers, bubble wrappers. Okay, etc. So and coming to HU level. HU level means like you can pack in carton, you can pack in box, and you can pack in carton. Okay, and we can pack in pallet level. So these are the other levels. Okay, so this is the basic information of level type definition. Okay, so you can create the new level types. So already I have created the new level types here. Okay, so here I created the customized level types SPL1, L2, L3. Okay, SPL1, L2, L3. Okay, let us go to the details for first level. So here I have created the new description with box packaging. So level quantity is available for input. Performing entries is not relevant. So if it is supplied by the vendor, so you can select this option. Select if it is executed in warehouse, you can do it in the warehouse. Okay, so if it is not relevant to these three entries, you can have to select the not relevant option. Okay, so what is the HU type? That means what is the packaging type? Box. So I have created the HU type box. Okay, in HU handling unit configuration, I have created the HU type as box. Okay, so my new customized box packaging type is SPBX. Okay, SPBX. So here SPBX. Okay, and HU creation should be done automatically. Okay, HU creation is done automatically, and we have to maintain external step. Why I have mentioned this external step means whenever we are performing the POSC, process oriented storage control, this will be the third step. Okay, so that's why we have maintained the external step. Okay, this is very, very mandatory. Now come back. So similarly for second level also, I maintained for carton. Okay, here also I mentioned the HU type is carton box. Okay, carton, and HU created will be done automatically. External step is will be SP03. Okay, which is mentioned in the POSC configuration. SP03 is nothing but it's a batch process. So generally, the step will be IB03, IB01, IB02, IB03. Okay, IB01 is for unloading, IB02 is for deconsolidation, IB03 is for batch process. Okay, so icon. So icon you can mention any icon. So I have mentioned is icon check option. Okay, so icon check option I have mentioned here, and you can save it. Okay. Similarly for third one, I mentioned for palette. So palette. Okay. So here I mentioned HU type is SPPL, palette HU type, and this HU will be created automatically. So whenever you are executing the POSC process for the material, so the external step will be VAS process. That means SP03. Sorry, SP03. Okay. And icon here I mentioned as icon checked. Okay. Now save it. Okay. So similarly, you have to mention element type. So element type is, so here element type. So what is element type? So what is the element type? What is element type in SAP EWM? Okay. So element type is nothing but it's a configuration component using within packaging specification. Okay. So here it is having hierarchy level. Okay. So one of the hierarchy level you can see here. You can see this diagram. So here in the package specifications, we are packing this content. So master data where product is being packed in different levels. Okay, like auxiliary level, carton level, box level, and pallet level. So this level contains element group. This element group contains element type and packaging material and work step. Okay, so what this element consists of package material and work step. Okay, so let us come back. So we have determined three different packaging. So three different element types for three different HUs. For first one is for box, and second one is for carton, and third one is for pallet. Okay. So come back. If you want to again mention the new one, you can press the new entries. Okay. So here also I mentioned the different icon. Let us check icon and save it. Now again come back. Now come to level set. So level set means, so here we have to assign the level types and level elements. Okay. So I have configured the new level set. So the my level set is SPLS. Okay. SPLS packing level set. This is worked in the condition type inbound 0 IBD inbound delivery. This works for inbound delivery. So go to the assign level types. So I am having different level types like box level, carton level, packing level. So select this box level and assign the element type. So this is the first element type. This is packaging element type. So I will mention the sequence one and again come back to the level types. Now second one is SPL2. that is carton packaging. So if you select this cursor on this SPL2 and click on SN element types, and here we have mentioned as element type is SPW2. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, I have mentioned here wrong. Okay, sorry. So this is wrong one. I have to mention this new entries SPW2 sequence 2. Okay, so now come back again. Now again go to a third one. So level type 3, that is palette packaging. So select this row and click on as an element types. Okay. So here what I have mentioned here, element type is SPW3. That is so this is palette packing element type. Why it is showing description? Save it. So once come back, let us see. We have this. I think we have given wrong description. No problem. So let us change it. SPW3. Okay, palette packaging element type. Here I give the icon as checked. Okay, a small configuration mistake. Sorry for that. Now save it. Come back. So let us go to level set again. Execute level set, and so here I go to my level set SPLS. Okay. So go to level types and go to the third level package. Third level type is package palette packaging, and double click on as an element types. Here you can see our description has been changed successfully. Okay, so I mentioned the sequence number is 3 and save it. Okay, so now this is define work step type. So work step, so we are having different work steps. Okay, so what work should be performed whenever you are doing the VAS, whenever you are executing the VAS, what steps should be performed. So here I created the new one, so SPWS. So for work step is you have to pack the material in the new box, carton level, box level, carton level, and pallet level. Okay, so that for that one I'm creating the new work step. Okay, after that click on save it. Now define packaging material types. Click on execution of define packaging material types. So here, so we are having different material types, right? So first one is box packaging level, second one is carton packaging level, and third one is the pallet packaging level. Okay, so third one is uh, pallet packaging level. Okay, so already I have created. If you want to create the new ones also, you can create it, no problem. So already these packaging materials has been created in HU level configuration. So that is another section. Okay, so I have mentioned the new entries and I have maintained this box level package, carton packaging material type, and pallet packaging. Okay, okay. If you click on box packaging material type and click on the details, okay, you can see the description, and packaging material category is packaging materials. Okay, if it is a bubble wrap or some other wrappers covers, then it comes under auxiliary packaging level. If it is vehicle or containers, okay, ship container or vehicle containers, truck containers, then it will comes under means of transport. So now I'm using box, carton, and pallets, so it comes under packaging materials. Okay, now save it. and come back. So similarly for cartons, we'll go to the details. So here you can see the packaging. Here you can see the description is SPWH carton pack, and packaging material categories, packaging materials, and save it. Similarly for third one also, this is pallet packaging level. Okay, this is pallet packaging material type. Click on details. You can see the description is pallet packing, and the pallet material, sorry, packaging material categories, packaging. Second option, packaging materials. Okay, now save it and come back. Okay, so now next, so up to now we have done several steps. Now another step is assign packaging material to element types. So here we have to assign the packaging material to the element type. Okay, so here what I have done. So this is my element type is SPW1, box packaging element type. So I have assigned this one to SPBX material type. Okay, so similarly I have assigned SPW2. Okay, that is packaging. Oh my god, here I think it's not updated. 1 minute. What is SPW2? It is not changing. This is a carton. Okay, save it. Come back. Okay, so now assign the packaging material type to element type. So let us scroll down. Okay, so here SPW2 is nothing but carton packaging element type, that is assigned to the carton material packaging type. Similarly, third one also. So the element type is SPW3, and the description is pallet packing element type, and the material, sorry, packaging material type is pallet. Okay, SPPL. Okay, so now come back. Now here come to the assign work step to the packaging material type. Okay, so here click on this option. So what is the work step here? So here we have mentioned the here we have assigned this packaging material type to the work step. Okay, so for box packaging we have mentioned the work step. The same, I have only created only single type of work step, which includes box, carton, and pallet packing level. Okay, so for SPBX I have mentioned SPWS. For SPCR, that means carton packing, I mentioned the same work step. Okay, so for pallet packing also I mentioned the same work step. Okay, so this is a combination of box packing, carton level packing, and pallet level work step. So this the configuration is mentioned completed. Now determination of packaging specifications. Click on this drop down. These are very important points. Okay, so the package specification is determined using the condition types only. Okay, you have to maintain the conditions for it. So first option is create field catalog. So we are having the standard catalog which is given by SAP system. Here you can see the different descriptions. So how it should be determined? We are having different options like supply chain unit, product, plant, warehouse process type, and ship from, ship to party, sold to party, and work center. So we are having different options to determine the package specification. Okay. Now go to different condition tables. So here we are having the different condition tables, right? So here our standard condition table is for SPIPD01 for inbound delivery. Okay, so these are standard these are the standard condition tables. Okay, if it is customized, if you make the new customization, okay, see, I have selected this condition table SAP IPD01. So the here we have here we are having different field names: supply chain unit, ship from, and product. Okay, so whenever you're creating the package specification, these fields are mandatory. These inputs are mandatory. So if you want to create a this is a customized one, you have to mention it as CUS 0012. Okay. To press this one, sorry, system is showing the one error. Okay. Okay. If you want to create the customized one, you have to select the enter the customer enter the name as CUS and the numbers. Okay. So you can select the different field names like uh, how can we determine using the, so I want to use the plant as an input, and uh, I have to enter the product is very important, and also we have to mention warehouse process type. Let us see. Okay. Yes, warehouse process type. Okay. So here I can save this. Okay. So activate this, activate condition table. So click on local object. It will take some few seconds to update, so don't need to worry. And it is taking this much time. Okay, it is loading some certain data. Okay, it is completed. Setting completed. You can see here. Yes, done. So I've created my new condition table successfully. So just for example, I've shown you how can we create the new condition table. So actually, I'm only preferring the standard condition table given by SAP system, that is SAP IBD01. Okay, so close this, come back. So we have to create access sequence, define access sequence. So the access sequence will be VAS order 0 VSI. For VAS means we have to select 0 VSI, and for inbound delivery we have to create 0 IBD. Okay. So what fields does VAS have? Go to access. So this is one of the standard table. Go to the fields. Okay. So that's all. Shift. So here we are having two conditions. That is shift from. That means vendor, from which vendor we are getting the material, and material ID. That means material product. The product we have to enter. And now we are doing this package specification. We have to enter the product. Okay. So now come back. I can come back. Come back. Now define condition types. So here for inbound delivery, we are having 0 IBD as a condition type, and access sequence also 0 IBD. For VAS inbound delivery, for GR we are having condition type is 0 VSI and access sequence is 0 VSI. And I can come back, define determination procedure. Okay. So here we are having the 0 IBD is for inbound delivery. To go to element of determination, we are having the condition type, level number, and counter, and condition type. Come back. So similarly, we are having for VAS order for goods receipt process. Select this row and go to element of determination procedure. So here we are having level 1, counter is 1, and condition is 0 VSI. So this is a main important step is condition, create condition maintenance group. So this is important question in interview. So here we are having the conditions for packaging instructions. By default, we take it as pack. So here we assign the different conditions, condition tables. For inbound delivery, we are having SAP IBD01. For VAS, for GRN, we are having SAP VSI01. So we have assigned here. If you not assign this one, so we can't able to execute the deconsolidation and VAS in the POSC process. Okay. So this is about the package specification configurations. Okay. So now go to the work center. So for that, for VAS order, we have to have the storage type. So VAS is also one of the work center, right? So we have to have the storage type. So what is the storage type? The standard storage type is 8050. Okay, 8050. Click on execute. So if you want to create new one, you can copy. You can select this row and click on copy as, and you can create your own different storage type for VAS goods receipt. But now I am only preferring the standard one, which is given by SAP. So here you can mention the storage type role is E. So what E defines work center. We are having the total type of storage type roles. So we for Y for work center we are preferring this role E. Okay. So I mentioned as confirm put away because my product is going to the hierarchs. So I mentioned this checkbox and I'm not preferring the storage type control put away completed because this is not my final rack. Okay, this is not my final bin. Okay. So put away rules is 4. So what 4 is 4 determines general storage area. Okay. 4 is general storage area. It doesn't contain any hierarchs or bins. So general storage area. And capacity check. So coming to capacity check, I not prefer checking regarding figure, weight and volume. Okay. If you want to check against for packaging material and product and other options, you have to select the certain options here. But I'm not preferring any check for this one. So here stock control removal. So whenever we are running the POC process, we are removing the material from staging area and from staging area to was it deconsolidation work center, and from deconsolidation work center we remove the product and we transfer it to the hierarchs. So in this process, confirmation removal is mandatory. So that's all. So actually it is having 5 sections, that is general section, put away control section, stock removal section, goods movement control section, replenishment section. Okay, now save it. So similarly we have to create the sections for this one, storage section. Okay, so already we have created storage sections for 8050 and 3001. Okay, this is my standard section, already I have maintained. If you want to create the new section also, you can create it. So click on save and come back. Okay, so for bin, I have to create the bins, right? For the warehouse, sorry, for the VAS work center, I have to create the bin. So click on the new section, the new SAP section. Execute the transaction code slash and slash SEWM slash LS01. What is it? Sorry, slash and slash SEWM slash LS01. Press enter to execute. So here already I have created the VAS bin for this one. 1 minute. LS02. Okay. VAS bin. Okay, already I have created this bin. So if you want to create the new one also, you can create it. Okay. So VAS bin I have created. I have entered the storage type 8050 and storage section 0001 and save it. Okay. So now the next step is, so what is the next step? Okay. Now, so the next part is So next part is we have to create the POC process. First of all, we have to create the warehouse process type. Okay. Now let's go to warehouse process type. Go to cost process settings and go to warehouse task, and here we have to define warehouse process type. So the standard warehouse process type is 1011. Okay. Enter the warehouse number. So enter 1011. Press enter. So 1011 we use it for POC process. So this warehouse process type is used for POC process. Okay. So I am creating the customized one. So with reference to this one, I have created the new one by PSC. Okay. So select this one and click on it. So here we have to mention the warehouse process category and activities put away. Warehouse process category is put away. Okay. So warehouse order creation rule is 1. So destination. Okay. And source storage type is 9030. Source bin is 90300101. And the storage process I have mentioned is ZIMB. So how I assign the storage process, I will show you. And availability group will be 002, and allow warehouse task creation in RF put away. That means if you do the deconsolidation in this and where GRNs and the other cases, we can use this put away for whenever you're doing using the radio frequency device. Okay. Whenever you're doing warehouse task in a radio frequency device, then you can enable this checkbox. Select HU without storage process. Okay. So this option is also enabled. Now save it and come back. Again come back. Save. Now define control indicators for determining warehouse process type. Click on this option. So already I have created the new one. So this is my PTDI indicator, process type determination indicator. Okay. So click on new entries and enter the warehouse process type, warehouse number, and PTDI indicator, and mention the description. So I mentioned the description for SPWH POC process. Now determine warehouse process type. Execute this one. Click on position. Document type is INB. See here. I mentioned the new entries with the combination of the different factors. Warehouse number is SPWH. Document type is INB. PTDI indicator. Process type determination indicator is PS. And warehouse process type is YPSC, which is copied from 1011. Okay. Now save it and come back. Okay. So now this task is completed. Warehouse task configuration is completed. Now coming to VAS configuration. Here in the same path, click on VAS value added services, and we have to check whether number ranges has been created. SPWH. Enter the warehouse number. Click on create new intervals. So already I created my new interval. Okay. So this is my interval number range. Okay. So come back again. So activate order document management for VAS. This is not required, but I'm showing you for practical purpose. Now this is very important point. Define the relevance for VAS. Execute. Now let us say go to the position. I will search SPWH categories INB. Okay. So here I have mentioned the 3 different levels. One is for inbound delivery, and another one is for VAS. Okay. I have maintained the 2 entries. If you go to first entry for inbound delivery, here if you go to the details, I have mentioned the warehouse number, document category is PDI, for inbound delivery. Document type is INB. Item delivery type is item type is IDLB. So package specification procedure is 0 IBD. Okay. So VAS order. So VAS order means when creating warehouse task, warehouse request, this should be created automatically. Package specification existence check. So whenever we are performing this activity, if the existence is not done, PS specification is not done, so the system should make the error. I told you the package specification is mandatory. So system has showing that PS, that means package specification existence is mandatory. If it is not there, the system should give the warning or error. Okay. Now partner role. Partner role is vendor. So as receiving material from the vendor to the inbound, so I'm mentioning the partner role as vendor. Okay. So date time type is delivery. Okay. Delivery. So these are for another activity. Okay. So arrival in yard, unloading start, end of loading is another activities. But for inbound delivery, I mentioned T delivery. Now save it and come back. Okay. So similarly for VAS. So VAS also I have done this one. Now come back. Now click on warehouse number dependent VAS settings. So go to the position and enter the warehouse number. Okay, I have already system has created this entry by default. No need to create new one. If it's not there, you have to create the new entries and you have to maintain these entries. It's not these are also very mandatory, but system will create automatically. Okay. So this is about the VAS settings. Okay. Now let us go for POC process. So go to warehouse task and go to define POSC. Okay. So go to first step is external storage process type. Click on position. So enter IB01. Okay. So these are the standard external steps given by SAP. So but I also including VAS also. Okay. So I already created a SP01. So I mentioned these are the new customized external steps which I have created. So first step is I have created unloading process. Second step is deconsolidation process for separating the materials. And third one is VAS process. And fourth one is put away. Okay. You can see the internal process step also maintained. Unloading, SPR. SPR determines deconsolidation. Okay. VAS. So VAS is nothing but value added services. Put away is put. And direction is put away. And for second one, I mentioned the fourth one, put away and internal movements. And for a third one, I mentioned stock removal and internal movement. And fourth one is put away and internal movements. Okay. So whenever you select these steps and you maintain the internal process tab, so this direction will automatically triggered by the system. Now go to storage process definition. So here I mentioned the new entries, that is JET-INB. This is my customized storage process which I have created recently. So the direction is put away. So select this entry and click on assign storage process. So here I have mentioned all the external steps. SP01 for unloading, SP03 is for discontinuations, SP03 is for put VAS, SP04 is for put away. So I'm not enabling this checkbox because system by itself automatically create put away strategies to fetch the material automatically. Okay. So product HU warehouse task. So in deconsolidation, I mentioned the warehouse task automatically. So I mentioned this checkbox. Okay, so you have to enable all these checkbox to create warehouse tasks automatically. Okay, so now save it. Okay, now come back. Now go to process oriented storage control. So we have to assign the combination of different steps. Okay, I will explain in detail. Let us go to position, enter the warehouse number. Okay, here I mentioned these steps. Okay, I'll explain you. I'll copy the steps. Okay, okay, this is the warehouse. One minute. I'll go to the next sheet and I mention here. Okay, so this is a warehouse. Okay, this is the warehouse. This is external step. External step. Okay, this is a storage process. This is a warehouse process. This is a storage type. Okay, storage type. Okay, and this is warehouse process type. Okay, and this is receiving. Sorry, this is source storage type. Source storage type, and this is receiving storage type. Okay, now so this is a destination section. Okay, this is a destination section. So inbound section is this one. Similarly, so this is the win. Okay, 8010-01-01. Okay, what is this one? 8010-01-01. Okay, okay. So this is the inbound section. This is storage section. Okay, storage section and storage bin. Okay, destination storage bin. Okay, destination storage bin. Okay, the material will first step is executed whenever we receiving vendor is. Whenever we receiving the material from vendor is, we create the purchase order. After that, we have to create the GRN for receiving the material from the vendor. So in this case, the material will come to warehouse door. The material will come to the warehouse door. From warehouse door, the material is shifted to the GR staging area with movement type 3065, and from GR staging area it will move to the deconsolidation work center using the warehouse process type 3060, and from work center it will move to the VAS work center using the movement type 3060. From VAS work center it will go to the hierarchs using 1011 and the 1011 warehouse process type, but here we are using customized one is YPSC. So this is about the workflow of this VAS in the warehouse. Okay, so we have created the configuration for POSC. Come back. Okay, now we have to create work center. For deconsolidation we have created work center. So similarly, for VAS also there is a work center. So where we configure that one, go to SCM EWM master data, and click on work center. Okay, so click on work center. First of all, execute specify warehouse work center layout. Okay, work center layout, and here we click on position and execute SPWH. So work center is VAS. Okay, VAS 1. So work center layout is VAS 1. Go to the details and you have to see the all fields which is available for this layout. Okay. Now come back. Now again come back. Now click on define work center. Execute define work center. Click on position. Enter the warehouse number and press enter. Here I have created the new work center for VAS, that is VWRK. Okay, this for VAS work center for SPWH warehouse. So select this row, click on details. So here I mention the warehouse number, work center, VWRK, and description we mention SPWH VAS work center and external step. So from where this step we have to maintain. So whatever the step we have maintained in the POSC, okay, the third step we have to assign here. Okay, so here you go to the step SP03 VAS process. Okay, storage type. So for which storage it will be moved? 8050 is the work center. Okay, 8050 is VAS work center. Okay, and the inbound section is 0001 and outbound section is 0001. This is a standard sections. And the repacking. So repacking will be done using the warehouse process type 3040 and work center layout will be VAS 1. Previously I showed in previous step. I showed in previous step. The VAS work center layout is VAS1. Okay. So here radio frequency HU ready for input. I should not enable this for VAS because radio frequency step should not be will not be executed for VAS. If you enable this checkbox, it will be a big blunder. Okay, so I'm not enabling this option and click on save action. Okay, enable the checkbox for save action and save it. Okay, come back. Now again come back. So now we have to assign the work center for work center bin. So execute the transaction code /and/ SAWM /t work st. Okay, press enter. So here you have to assign work center. You have to assign storage bin for the work center. So what is the work center? Already we have created already we have created storage bin for this one. LS02. Yes. Okay, this is right. So the work center is assigned here. Okay. Work center bin is assigned here. This is belongs to 8050. The storage type. So for the 8050 storage type, I have created this bin. This bin is assigned to the VAS work center. Now save it and come back. Okay. So now work center is created and okay. Now we have to create a now we have to create the new material. Okay, let us create new material. I create a back spec mat 3. Okay, industry is M, data type is raw ROH, press enter and press enter. So select the important views: basic data 1, basic data 2, sales organization data 1, sales organization data 2, general plan data, purchasing, general plan data storage 1, general plan data storage 2, accounting 1 and accounting 2. Press enter, enter the plant, enter the store location, enter the sales organization, enter the distribution channel. Okay, so I mentioned the same description. Enter the unit of measure is each material group and press enter. Press enter. So enter the sales tax code and enter the item category is NOR. Okay, and enter the availability check is 01 and enter the purchasing group 001 and enter accounting for valuation classes 3000 for raw materials and price control is V and enter the price for it. I'm mentioning as 100 rupees. Go to accounting to WM execution WM package. Not entry requires for these two views. Click on this. And extend this material to other storage locations. Execute MMSC. Enter the material. Enter the plant. Enter remaining store locations. I'm extending to another store locations. Okay, and save it. So now we have to create this material in EWM side also as product master data. Okay, SCWM slash mat1. I'll copy this material first and execute. Oh, sorry, I did the wrong one. So enter the material, tax spec mat3, warehouse number is SPWH, party entitled to dispose is SPDV create. So here I am entering warehouse process determination indicator. So what is the indicator? Previously we have determined that is PS. PTDF for SPWH POC process. Put away control indicator. So the where we determine this put away control indicator, I will show you. Go to SPRO, go to SAP reference IMG, go to SCM EWM, click on extended warehouse management, go to goods process and click on strategies and click on storage section, storage type search, and here we have to configure put away strategies. Define storage type source sequence for put away. So why we are using the storage type source sequence? Because in order to fetch this product, that means we have to put away this product automatically without any manual intervention. So we have to create the new entries. So already I created my new entries, okay, for POC. Okay, so POC I already created. STSA for A product, STSB for B product. Come back. Assign STSS for, so assign storage types to STSS. So click on position, execute SPWH. So here, yeah. So here for these two storage types of sequence, I mentioned the storage type. SP10 is one of the storage type. SP20 also one of the storage type. So these storage types having different bins in the hierarchies. Okay. You can go to the details, you can understand. So we have assigned the storage type to the STSA. Come back, come back. Now define put away control indicator. PACKY. In short form, I call as PACKY. Click on position, execute SPWH. So I defined two different indicators, PSEA and PSEB. That means for first product and second product. And also assign the storage type source sequence for these two different put away control indicators. Save it and come back. Specify STSS for put away. Specify storage type source sequence for put away. Execute. You click on new entries. You have to maintain the new entries. Warehouse process type, put away control indicator, warehouse number, put away control indicator, warehouse process type, and storage type source sequence. Okay, already I maintained. Click on position, SPWH, so PSEA, and warehouse process type is YPSC. press enter. So already I mentioned for this two one. Okay, already I mentioned the entries. So warehouse number is SPWH. Put away control is PSE and PSEB. Warehouse process type is YPSC, and storage type of sequence is STSA and STSB. Save it and come back. Now click on optimize access strategy for storage type per sequence. So you can optimize in different levels like put away control, process type, warehouse process type, quality classification, and other different ways. Click on position. So I can determine using I can access using different ways, put away control, process type, and different levels. Okay, different sequence. So this put away control indicator is assigned to the material. Okay, so this is assigned to the material. PSEA. Now save it. Come back. So now we have to create the package specification. We have to create the package specification. So what is the transaction code for package specification? Slash and slash SCWM slash pack spec. Okay, pack spec. Okay, so here click on create, add a new line, select the PS group. So this is my PS group. Press enter. You can see the package specification number is generated automatically. Select this row and click on details. Continue. So here mentioned as description. I mentioned on the free text pack spec. Here I mentioned the condition type as 0 as I think not exist, no problem. Okay, I mentioned as section as supply chain unit product. One minute, pack spec material 3 now. Pack spec material 3 from SP vendor 1. Mention the vendor code, press enter. Okay, so now click on content, set the content and add the product. So I'm adding this product, pack spec material 3. So quantity will become 1. So I only consider first one for testing in the box packaging. I'm removing this, all this one. I don't need this all. So only pack only on single level. Okay, I'm taking target quantity as 5 quantity. Minimum quantity is also 5, and layer quantity is also 5. Okay, so element group is defined, created automatically. Or otherwise, if you want to delete this one also, you can delete it. Okay, now, I will again add the new ones. I will again add the new levels if I want. Click on add level. I'm adding the level for SPL1 for box level packaging. Target quantity is 5, minimum quantity is 5, layer quantity is 5. Okay, so we have to create the element group. Click on create it. Okay, so now click on, before that we have to create work step. 1 minute. So work step means click on the new screen. So enter the transaction code slash and slash SCWM slash PS work step. Okay, PS work step. You can know the transaction code. /n/scwm slash ps work step. So click on create. So click on SPWH box packing work step. Okay, box packing work step. So warehouse process type is SPWS. Work step type is SPWS, and click on text. You have to mention the instructions. First one, clean the box and maintain the labeling. The labeling. So you can mention the different steps, instructions. Okay, and save it. Okay. So know this work step. I'm creating the take the notepad. And go to the new one. SPWH box packing work step. Okay. So I create another work step also for pallet packing. Click on create new one. So SPWH pallet packing pallet packing work step. Okay. SPWS enter. Go to the text. Here also mention the work step. Clean the pallet and paint the palette and attach the label. Attach attach the label. Some different workshop you can mention. For different instruction you can mention here. Now save it. So this is another workshop for palette packing. 124 SPWH palette packing workshop. Okay. So now save it and come back. So now all the configurations completed. So now click on display packaging 2 times. Click on create insert element. So here enter packaging material. First packaging material is SP box level. So what is the work step here? What is the work step we have noted here for box packaging? 123. 123. HU relevance is main packaging material. Okay. Now go to warehouse. Here mention the external step which you have mentioned in the POSC. Whatever the step we have created in POSC, we have to mention that one. It's very, very mandatory. HU type is pallet level. Sorry, box level. Okay. Now you can, if you want to create another one also, you can create it. I'm creating another level also. That is palette level. Okay. SPL3. Huh? I take as palette packing. Target count is 10. 10. Layer count is 5. Okay. So 2 layers will be there. So each layer 5 boxes will be there. Okay. Assign elements. You have to create element group. Click on create and double click on this one. Click on create. Assign the package material product. So this is the palette I'm mentioning here. So work step I have to mention here 124. Okay. 124. 124. Actual relevance is main material. Okay. Go to the warehouse. So here also mentioned that where estimate step. So now you have to activate this package specification. So maintain the cursor on the package specification number and click on activate. So now it will convert to green color. So another one is you have to check whether see here checkbox is not enabled. create second version. Click on create second version. See, this checkbox should be enabled. Otherwise, whenever we are creating the inbound delivery in EWM, system will not create HU automatically. HU should create automatically whenever we are executing package specifications. Save it and make active. Okay. So now the package specification is created for the material. Okay. Now we create the purchasing order. So what is the transaction code for creating purchasing order? ME21N. So select the document type, enter the supplier, enter the purchase organization, enter purchasing group, company code, material code. So how much materials I'm purchasing here? So let us consider about 50 materials or 100 materials. Enter the net price is 10 rupees. Enter the plant, store location is ROD, and come to the condition confirmation tab. Here mention the option as 0004. Okay. Now click on save it. So copy the PO number. Now we create the inbound delivery. So the transaction code for inbound delivery is BL31N. Press enter. So enter the vendor code, purchase order number, national ID, delivery date. Okay. So here I will do for here I will do the inbound delivery for 20 quantity. Okay. So 10 quantity. Okay. 10 quantity and save it. Okay. So now inbound delivery is created and distributed to warehouse management system. Copy this inbound delivery number. I think we have forgotten one thing. Now execute inbound delivery for warehouse level. Execute /n/ SCWM / PRDI. Okay. Now enter here. Execute. So let us check whether HUs are created automatically. Yes. See here HU is created automatically. So why? Because I have created the package specification and we have also maintained the condition type also. To maintain the condition type, so we have to maintain in /n/ SCWM DLV Okay. So here we have to maintain the condition types. Sorry, PAK. Application is PAK and maintenance group is also PAK. Execute and we have to maintain the condition type here. Also, okay, 0 IBD. So here you have to mention the supply chain unit, product, package specification, everything. So if you want to maintain also, you can maintain, no problem. Product is package specification mat 3. Okay, from SPD vendor. Package specification is what is the package specification for this one? What is the package specification number? If you want to check the package specification number, you go to /n/ /CWM/pack spec. Okay. So mention the product as Practical Mat 3 and execute. Sorry, not this one. Sorry. You go to pack spec mat 3 and execute. Hey, what is this? Okay. I have to select the product. Yes, this is the package specification number. Copy this and you can mention here. Okay. Okay, I think there is too much as move this one, remove this one. Click on this. So save it. Okay. Now you can save it. So so condition records also should be maintained. Without condition records, we can't able to get HEO created automatically. Okay. So now close this one. Close this one. So go to items here, item tab. So in item level, go to item tab, click on the drop down here and click on display order for value added services. Okay, VAS order is created automatically. Okay, VAS order is created automatically. So go to the conditions, go to edit mode, and here we have to assign the work center. I don't know why the system is not taking work center automatically. Here also add a VAS work center. Okay, now we have to save it. Save it. Okay, come back. Now go to inbound delivery, go to following functions, go to the warehouse task, and click on handling units. See, we got handling units here, HUs. From where to where? It is going from 9030 to YPSC. Okay, Goose is it. Okay, click on create it. So let us see which bin it is determining. Oh my god, it's not showing anything. Okay, okay, see, from 90302 is going to 9010. Okay, this is a storage, the inbound door, this is a GR staging area. Okay, to which bin it is going? GR zone bin. Okay, for here similarly for this HU also it is going same. Select these two products and save. So warehouse task is created. Now we do the process for scratch to ending. Go to new GI window, execute slash and slash SEWM slash mon. Okay, here go to inbound, here go to documents, here go to inbound delivery, enter the inbound delivery number, execute. So here I will explain you the steps, each and every step individually in a clear manner. Okay, so I'll select this row of this inbound delivery, click on warehouse task. Okay, so here we have to confirm this warehouse task, right? We have to confirm this warehouse task. Okay, so select this one and click on this settings and click on confirm warehouse task in background. See, the product will go from see, the warehouse task is confirmed. So the product is moving from 9030 to 9010. So after that, it will be moved from 9010 to deconsolidation work center. Okay. So let us confirm this task also. Let us confirm this task because it is packed in two different HUs. So I am confirming these two HUs. So now I have to perform deconsolidation for these two steps. Okay. First step I will do the consolidations. So to perform the deconsolidation, I will do with HU type. With respect to HU, I do the deconsolidation. Copy the HU, click on new section. So in order to perform the deconsolidation, execute the transaction slash and slash SEWM slash decons, press enter. Here enter the warehouse number, work center, and the HU number. So whatever HU number it is generated, I have to mention here. Click on execute. Sorry. This is decon. Okay, decon. So work center is decon. Execute. Okay. So here I have to repack this material in new HU. Center, I'll take as palette. I'll select as palette and execute. So the new HU is created. Now I will shift this product into the new HU. Now shift this product into the new HU. Remember, we have to transfer only warehouse task, not the product. I have to transfer the warehouse task to this one. So the warehouse task is transferred from the one HU to another HU from 57 to 58. So now go to the monitor, select all, refresh. Okay. So the new level has been added. See, the warehouse task been executed for this one. The new warehouse task is created. Now delete this empty HU. Again go on to monitor and refresh. Okay. Now we have to confirm this. HU step. If we double click on this, go to detail tab. Here you can see HU step is not completed. So in order to complete the HU step, select this cursor on HU and click on confirm. Oh my god, my system is stuck. Oh my god, sorry. So let us continue the video. So here, so we are, so here we have done the package specific. Here we have done deconsolidation. So after that, we are packing the product into the new HU. So we have to delete the old HU box and click on complete the process step for HU. Okay. So here you can observe the HU step is completed. Now let us go to the monitor screen and again refresh and observe what system will update. See, the system has updated the new HU and new warehouse task. Okay. So now click on save it. Okay. Now come back. Now come back to the transaction /and/SCWM /decons. So similarly for this one also we have to create the deconsolidation. So we'll do with respect to HU. Okay. Copy this HU. Execute the transaction code /and/SCWM/decons. Enter the warehouse number, work center, and HU number. Okay. Now execute. Okay. So now you can see in this HU the material is being packed with warehouse task. Now I want to separate this material from this box and pack in the new HU. So create the new pallet HU. Enter the package material number. Click on execute. So the new HU is created. Okay. So now click on this drop down and transfer this warehouse task into the new HU. Drag into the new HU. Drag into the new HU. So now again go to monitor, click on select all and refresh it. See, system has created the new warehouse task. Okay. System has created the new warehouse task. Okay. Now delete this HU, empty HU. Again go to monitor, refresh. Okay. So now select this one and we have to confirm this HU step. Okay, this HU step should be confirmed. So click on confirmation. So now go to this one and refresh it. Okay, see now another new warehouse task has been created for another quantity. Okay, so now save it. Okay, so now see here. So the back spec is created. Okay, so now let us go to the monitor screen and refresh it. Okay, so the new warehouse task is being created, right? Okay, for VAS. So the new these two tasks has been created. So now we have to confirm these two tasks one by one. So first step we will confirm. So here observe the stock is being moved from deconsolidation work center to VAS work center. Okay, VAS work center from deconsolidation bin storage bin to VAS bin. VAS bin. Okay. So now select the first one and click on confirmation warehouse task in background. Continue. So now indicator is changed to C. C is nothing but confirmed. C is confirmed. Okay. So now let us go to the VAS execution. Like deconsolidation, whatever we have done. Similarly, we have transaction code for VAS execution. So enter the transaction code /n/SAP EWM /VAS EXEC. So here enter the warehouse number, work center. Here work center is VWork, VWRK. That means VAS work center. So here I'm entering the handling unit. Handling unit is our HU. Okay. Enter the HU. So here enter the status of work VAS order. So VAS order will be A, B, C, D. So what is A? A represents not yet in process. That means it is not VAS process is not started. B means it is in process. So VAS execution is in process. C represents completed without quantity deviations. And D represents completed with quantity deviations. You have to maintain all these. Okay. So A is maintained, B is maintained. You have to maintain C also. We have to maintain D also. So execute and so maintain it and execute. Okay. Uh, what is this? Okay. I think some okay. No problem. So here click on VAS process. So here enter the quantity which is required. Okay. Quantity is 2. And quantity is 1. Okay. So now click on end of variance because you have to complete this activity, right? See, the indicator is C. Here also complete end of variance. Click on end without variances. So again go to monitor, click on refresh. Okay. Again. So we have completed this process. So we have to complete the HU step. So select this one, click on HU step completion. So double click on this. You can see in detail 2, detail 1, the HU step is completed. Now the VAS process for the certain quantity for this material is completed. Okay, so now let's go to monitor. We have to go to monitor transaction slash and slash SCWM slash mon, select all, click on refresh. See here, this previously it is in waiting status B. Now it is disabled. That means it is open. The warehouse task is opened. Okay, so we will do it later. Now second one. So this another VAS execution is there for certain quantity. How much quantity? So another 5 quantity is there. Okay, for 5 quantity we have to do the VAS. So select this row, click on more methods, and click on confirm warehouse task in background. Click on continue. So it is confirmed. The status is confirmed. Now we have to do VAS execution. So what is the transaction code for VAS execution? Everybody, slash and slash SCWM slash VASEXEC. Press enter. Enter the warehouse, enter the work center, and enter the HU number. So what is HU number here? 7 all times 059. Enter the HU number. So enter the status. You have to maintain all the status A, B, C, D. A means I already told. A means not yet in process. B means that means VAS order is not yet started. VAS process is not yet started. B is that means the VAS work is in process. C determines it is completed with quantity deviations, and D represents the VAS completed with quantity deviations. Okay, so we have mentioned all the steps. Execute. Now again click on execute. See, I got it. Okay, so double click on this VAS. Click on end without variances. Click on end without variances. So now go to monitor, refresh, is updated, and again go to VAS execution. Now go to select this HU, double click on it, go to detailed data 1. So here HU step is not yet completed. Now select this HU and click on complete the process of HU. Okay, so now here you can see HU step is completed. Let us go to monitor screen, select all, refresh it. See here it is completed. Now here another warehouse task is also open. Previously it is in status B. That means B represents waiting. The status is waiting. Okay. Now both are open. So now final step is we have to move this product from the VAS work center storage bin to high rack, the main storage put away bin. Okay. So select this one. First one. Click on confirm warehouse task in background. So warehouse task has been confirmed. So to see, so select this one also and click on confirm warehouse task in background. So finally we have done all the process. So this is about the VAS execution for inbound. So now let us check the stock whether it is available in this storage type. So what is my material here? What is the material? Pack spec mat 3. Okay. So we have to check in this hierarchy bins. Go to new screen. Again execute slash and slash scwm slash mon. Go to stock and bin, storage bin. Here enter SP10. Okay. or otherwise click on physical stock. Here enter SP10 and here enter the product, tax pack math 3 and execute. See, the stock is available. If you click on this one and so okay, so you can see the stock is available. How much quantity? 5 quantity. So hence we have done the VAS process. Okay. So if you like the video, please click on like, share this videos to your colleagues and subscribe to my channel. Thank you friends. Thank you very much.